1. Understanding the basics of financial analysis. Imagine you are on a road trip, wouldn't you want a map to guide you? Similarly, in the business landscape, financial analysis works as your roadmap. It helps you understand your company's financial conditions, evaluate business performance, and foresee potential risks. By analyzing financial statements such as balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements, you can gain insights into your company's profitability, liquidity, and solvency. 2. The importance of financial analysis in business decision making. Financial analysis is not just about numbers, it's about what these numbers say about your business. It empowers you to make strategic decisions, identify growth opportunities and potential threats, measure operational efficiency, and determine the feasibility of investments. Remember, a well-informed decision can be the difference between success and failure in the business world. 3. Key components of a comprehensive financial analysis. Let's understand the key components of financial analysis: profitability, liquidity, efficiency, and stability. Profitability indicates your company's ability to generate profits over revenues. Liquidity measures your company's ability to pay off its short-term liabilities. Efficiency reflects how well your company utilizes its assets. Stability, on the other hand, reveals your company's long-term financial health. 4. Step-by-step guide to conducting a financial analysis. Conducting a financial analysis might seem like a daunting task, but worry not. I'll break down the process for you. First, gather your financial statements. Then, calculate financial ratios. Next, compare these ratios with industry benchmarks or your past performances. Finally, interpret the results and implement your findings in your business strategies. 5. Interpreting the results of a financial statement analysis. Interpreting the results of a financial statement analysis is an art. It's about making sense of the numbers and understanding what they imply about your business. Be it spotting trends, identifying anomalies, or understanding the implications of various financial ratios, the skill can help you make strategic business decisions. 6. The role of ratio analysis in understanding financial health. Ratio analysis is your magnifying glass to examine the financial health of your company. It helps in understanding the financial stability, liquidity, operational efficiency, and profitability. Ratios like debt-equity ratio, current ratio, return on investments can provide meaningful insights about your business health. 7. How to use vertical and horizontal analysis for financial comparison. Vertical and horizontal analyses are powerful tools for financial comparison. While vertical analysis compares each item in the financial statement to a total value, horizontal analysis compares data over time. These analyses can help you spot trends and make comparative evaluations. 8. Cash flow analysis, a vital part of financial examination. Cash flow analysis is a crucial aspect of financial analysis. It helps you track the inflow and outflow of cash, understand your business's liquidity, and gauge your ability to cover expenses and debts. 9. Common pitfalls to avoid in financial analysis. Even the most seasoned professionals can fall into traps while conducting financial analysis. From ignoring non-financial factors and relying solely on historical data to misinterpreting financial ratios and not considering industry trends. These pitfalls can lead to incorrect analysis and flawed decision-making. 10. Advanced financial analysis techniques for long-term profitability. Financial analysis is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Advanced techniques like financial modeling, scenario analysis, and sensitivity analysis can help you forecast future financial conditions and assess the potential impact of different scenarios on your business. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to mastering financial analysis. Remember, the language of business is in numbers, and understanding them can lead you to success. Before I sign off, please hit the subscribe button and stay updated with all our upcoming videos. I am Thamis Harasu, your business coach, signing off, but remember, the learning never stops.